some pressure. Give me a nice deep breath, not nice and slow. Give me one more. Ooh. One more. Oh, are you gonna sneeze?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Bless you. Careful. Poke yourself, did you?
No.
Good.
Owie.
Alright.
Bless you.
Oh, goodness.
Told you.
Second person ever in 9 years to sneeze after I pierced her.
Did it hurt?
It's strange.
For the people on YouTube, did it hurt?
Oops, sorry, cut you down.
It's not red.
Oh, but on here it is.
You're red.
I'm pink, not red. That's the difference.
But you can't get all the new HD stations without a new HD radio. Available now at your neighborhood Radio Shack.
If you're listening
Hey,
for the first
little
time today,
nostril.
welcome to Radio X 961.
Mine's probably gonna hurt. Because I got thick nostrils.
You're getting your nose pierced too.
Today.
I know you're not.
Someday.
Put gauze right by your eye. Sorry, I should have said that quicker. At least it was nice enough to try to warn you.
Yeah. I think I would have flinched anyways.
I'm gonna touch you again. This is gonna be cold and moist. Now that nostril screw is obviously a little bit bigger than your nostril is, okay? So we can't tighten it much more until we know how much you're gonna swell. So in about 2 or 3 weeks, if you wanna come back and we can adjust your nostril screw.
All of it.
Oh yeah.
A big boog in your nose for the
I would be
next
too
week
scared to
and
do
a half.
that. Oh, it hurts leaning over this table. Thing, bench, chair. I just hit the back like that. Believe me.
Start bleeding.
Gosh, you guys are creepy.
Back off, little guys. Thank you. Sit up and take it up. You feel okay?
Yeah. Because my eyes just a little
look at
watery. It's just
See,
one
I told
eye.
you. I like.
Yeah, it's
Wait.
something that's
Wait,
not
also-
controlled.
Uh-huh.
I like